Ba, you mean you?
Bakit kayo in love kay Essay?
Kasi...
Oh, wait! Paano yan? Yeah.
Yes, you just did.
No, I didn't say that. I never said that.
I never said...
Nakatutok yung camera.
No, nakatutok sa inyong dalawa.
I never said...
So guys, I never said that I love you.
Ganda-ganda lang ito, no?
Si JR, oh, grabe. Dito pa naglalabas ng ano.
Nagsimula ka na naman, ha?
Ito, hindi lang nila sinasabi, pero sila talaga.
Shut up!
Oh my God!
Sinabi mo?
Well, I didn't say anything!
Didn't say anything.
I didn't say anything. Seriously.
Ikaw!
Ikaw! May salamin ako.
May ano, injury.
Oh, JR, play! I haven't seen you play ball yet. So. Basketball!
Si ano naman?
Ikaw, bata ka po. Wala kang...
Ay man, don't be shy. Don't be shy.
Ano ka?
Oh, say hi to ano. Saan ka naman mag-hi?
Kaya ako sa
my family.
Sa iyong family. Hello, family.
What is, ito, I'm gonna ask you guys some questions.
Okay.
What is love?
Love is a whole other world. Word.
Word, gago.
Nabubulol pa mo.
Something deep.
You want something
What's
deep?
love?
L.
L.
Oh, B. E. That's deep.
It's not deep.
Yes, it is.
Love.
I'm so lamig na and I'm so naiihi. Kasi so tagal naman. No.
Mamatay ka na lang.
No.
Oh!
Stop na nga.